Hello Internet, in this video I'll do an out-of-box review and installation of this solar-powered security light with motion sensor. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. If you like garage time and working on do-it-yourself projects, then Scott's Garage is a place for you. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's take out of the box these solar motion sensor lights. These are like security lights. The company's name is Cineton Solar. It is from China. I would review an American company if they would send me a product. But so far the lights sent to me, garage lights, the companies are from China. Now you know, if you've been watching my channel, that the last two videos have been garage lights, and those were giveaways. I'm not giving this light away. I'm going to use this light. However, the company does have an incentive, and it is time sensitive, so watch to the end of the video to see how you can get 30% off this if you like to order it on Amazon, and I'll provide for your convenience an Amazon affiliate link in the description. So in looking at it here, so here's the solar panel, and here's the motion detector. And so it's a 3-panel LED display. Looks like lots of different, smaller LEDs within each panel. Looks like good quality. It's plastic, but it's I can tell it's not cheap. So I'll remove these. Protects the plastic from the screens. Comes with a couple of screw anchors and a couple of screws. I probably will not be using these. And I'll be using this on the west side of my garage just as a security light. And so I'll be installing that here shortly. And it's not going to have full sun all day, but it'll have full sun in the afternoon. And we'll test it tonight and see how well it does, how bright it is. And we'll test it again tomorrow. To trip it and again see how bright it is in the morning light and how long the battery charge lasts. First comes with instruction, outdoor solar sensor light. Yeah, pretty straightforward. I'm looking forward to this, so I don't have to run power to it. Put it anywhere basically, as long as you get sunlight on the panel. Okay, upon closer examination, there's a lot of flexibility as far as bending these panels, sending it down or straight across, like so. And you can turn it slightly this way. But as far as the solar panel, it's meant to be fixed, meaning that here's where it'll attach to the wall. And once that's attached to the wall, if it's straight, it's going to be directly perpendicular to the sky or the sun. I'm sure they did that for maximum solar power. In my application, though, I'll be doing it differently. They recommend that you install this on the south side so you get full sun. But that's not going to work for me. I'm going to install it on the west side of my garage. It is a security light. And because of the overhang, I'm going to have to modify the overhang a little bit, and I've come up with an idea to do that. But it will be slightly angled so that I get the maximum sun in the afternoon and evening. Okay, here's what I came up with. I'm not going to show you how I built this. It was very simple, though, to make, and it solves my problem. If the security light went high right next to the brick wall, it'd obviously be in the shade. That wouldn't work. If I lower it, it's too low. So I'm keeping it up by the rain gutter, and I just used 2 pieces of wood. I have a 30-degree angle, and I'm thinking that'll be the right pitch to catch the afternoon sun. Now let's install it. Okay, it fits like a glove. If I angle them a little more this way, catch people as they're walking towards here, angle it slightly down. and we have a few hours of sunlight. We'll see how much it charges the battery, and we'll test it out both this evening and tomorrow morning. Okay, the sun has set, and there's the moon up there. And so it's been charging with the solar power for since about 3 in the afternoon. So it's got a few hours, not a full 8 hours like they recommend. But let's see if it works. Oh, there it is. Nice and bright. Really amazingly bright for solar. And for just having a few hours on the charge. So far so good. There are different settings, and I might experiment here if I try a different setting where it's dim, and then as you get closer then it gets really bright and then goes back to dim, and then another setting where it stays on all the time. I'm not sure I have a full enough charge for that, but I'll give it a try. Okay, there's the dimmer setting. Okay, and that turns it off. So I think I'll keep it on the first setting. There we go, nice and bright. Okay, it's early the next morning. It's my favorite time of the morning. We have some frost from last night. So the sun is just starting to come up. It's the dawn of a new day. So I want to make sure this works before it gets any brighter out here. See how well the battery lasted. Neighbors have their heater on. Oh, there it is. Very bright. Very impressed with brightness of this light. And I'll come back later when it's a little bit lighter and finish up this video. All right, so I'm really pleased with this and the brightness of it, and I'm going to keep this light. The company, though, is offering an incentive, and if you order before March 15th, it's 30% off, and to find the coupon, simply go to the Amazon affiliate link that I have below in the description. When you click on that link before March 15th, you'll see a box that says 30% coupon. Simply click on that, and you'll get the discount. This is Scott with Scott's Garage. If you're getting any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing. It was a great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.